Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on HAFURY GT20. And to do this, first you will need to set up your Google Assistant. Here I have it with a Hey Google feature. So first command is translate, so you can use it like that. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. And here you have the results with the Polish translation. You can also increase the volume of your phone to hear it. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's zjadłem burgera.
Next one will be calories, so you can count any calories of a food that you're eating by just asking your Google. So, hey Google, hey Google. It's a bit tricky to get him on. So, hey Google, hey Google, okay Google, hey Google, count calories in a cheeseburger.
Calories in 100 grams of cheeseburger.
Yep, that works fine. And the next one is in a case you've lost your phone somewhere in your room and you can't find it, then you just need to say to your phone or say speak loudly in your room, hey Google, where are you?
I live here with you. I hope that doesn't mean I have to pay any rent.
It will make a sound, and that will be easy to identify where your phone is. Next one is to call somebody. You can call anyone from your contact list by just saying, hey Google, hey Google, hey Google, call mom.
Got it.
And here simply replace mom with a name of the person that you want to call. Next one is to send message without touching your phone, so you can send basically anything you say to somebody with just hey Google. So, hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And you just need to replace mom again with your favorite contact. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.